Hello everybody, and my name is Alex. Today we'll be talking about another topic inside our science book. This is the Scott Forsman science book inside my school I'm learning, and it's Unit A student book. It's grade 3, and I hope you like this video that tells us the lessons. Lesson 4. This is chapter 2. Okay, so how are animals from the past like today's animals? Now we'll answer that question. So how are animals from the past like today's animals? Well, similarly, they still have fossils. Now let's take a deep look at fossils. Fossils aren't usually the actual bone of a dead animal. Actually, it isn't, or it doesn't mean extinct, but it means the shape of the fossil, like the shape inside a rock that makes it. And like, for example, here's a good experiment. Try with a bottle of plaster of Paris and then dip your finger into it as kind of mold, and then you cannot kind of like the cast. So the cast is when it fills the decaying cavities of the fossil, which is the surrounding rock, and it fills it outside the rock with some hard minerals. This is called a cast. A cast surrounds the fossil, and so that's easy to understand. And fossils can also make scientists and researchers learn more things about animals in the past, such as they knew that what an animal ate long ago because of their teeth shape or size. They also have for example, the T-Rex have short hands because they were useless. That's an adaptation scientists have found and there's also adaptations when they're found, and much more. Now let's talk to our second way of the ancient bones and insects. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Insects are just an insect that an animal that has 6 legs, maybe like spider. Not quite, but it has 8 legs. But well, let's talk about ancient insects. Ancient insects are insects that look like beetles. For example, like beetles long ago. They are very, very spectacular. And soon they come across some, and they were walking on a tree branch, and hey, there's some yummy sap over there. But they got stuck in the sap because it was so sticky. Soon they have no way of escaping, and the sap, as the years and years pass by, the insect is left there, has no food and water, it's stuck, and soon the sap hardens. So this is called amber. Amber is the sap that hardens the insect, and so what keeps you amber all together, it's like into a million years it keeps there. And sometimes amber can be eatable. Actually, amber can be also eatable by animals, and soon the insect will be dead as dodo. And so after that, there's also a lot of other things, like for example, for big animals, instead of insects, they could also get amber, as they could also get in sticky oil patches or sticky sap patches that have dripping down from the trees. And for example, even like a saber-toothed tiger, for example. And soon it got so stuck that it died, and soon it became a fossil. That's it. That's another fossil, and its meat fleshed out with the bacteria, and soon its actual bone is only left. That's also a type of fossil. So now let's move to the other page. How animals today compare to those of long ago. So let's take an example how the environment can change from the past to the present. So to the past to the present, let's think of other animals. For example, maybe a Tyrannosaurus Rex long ago lived in Badlands National Park. And so also not much is known about the Tyrannosaurus Rex because, well, many researchers only find its bones and fossils anyways. And long ago, the Badlands National Park in South Dakota, and it turned into a forest long ago, actually, flowers and lots of animals living there. So Tyrannosaurus rexes, hunt these animals. But due to some certain changes and some adaptations the animal made and some spectacular events, soon the dinosaurs evolved into smaller animals that could survive inside much warmer and colder, or maybe they could adapt more. Like, for example, Tyrannosaurus Rex long ago in Badlands National Park turned into a lizard. Yes, a lizard. This resembles a cute lizard, and a lizard that resembles the Tyrannosaurus Rex long ago. So now it's like almost like today, the Badlands National Park is like almost like a desert. But in the past, long billions and millions of years ago, we don't exactly, but scientists think that maybe the Tyrannosaurus Rex had lived inside the Badlands National Park and have thrived inside a lush forest. There's also dinosaurs and also lots of more dead animals that can find. Okay, so today I want to share you a new word. I bet you have heard of exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is just, a hard, if you don't know it, exoskeleton is a hard covering outside an invertebrate. An invertebrate is one that don't have a backbone. The backbone is like the spiral of a bone inside your body. Now, if you're a baby, I don't want to explain more anyways what a bone is. But anyways, so as you can see, an exoskeleton is the outer covering of an invertebrate, which is an animal that doesn't have a backbone. So they protect themselves by the exoskeleton instead of the backbone. But have you ever heard of an endoskeleton? Well, its meaning is quite simple because, for example, an endoskeleton of the T-Rex is just a frame of a skeleton of another animal. So yeah, that's it of another word of endoskeleton. So maybe I hope you could also try to do this experiment of plaster of Paris inside page 58 and page 59. You could also, first you need to put a plaster of Paris on a plate. Then you wet one of your hands with water, but don't put in a sink or it'll clog the drain. And step 3. Spread the fingers on your wet and spread it around the plaster of Paris. Soon, remove your hand from the plaster and then make it dry for several minutes or about hours. So then observe, as you can see, after you have dried them up properly. And soon you can see your imprint of your plant here. Look, this is like a fingerprint of what it shows, a hand stuck inside the plaster of Paris. So it's a bit like a fossil covered inside a cast, and your hand is like a cast, And so anyways, that's of lesson 4, how are animals from the past like today's animals. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this video and subscribe. And I hope you check out more videos inside my channel. So bye.